start our fourth chapter. Chapter name is Patterns and Symmetry. First topic is mirror images or symmetry. With the first picture, square, and place a mirror strip along the center of the picture and look into that mirror. The other half of the pattern is seen in that mirror. That is, place a mirror like this and look into that mirror. Then the other half of the pattern is seen in that mirror. If you place the mirror like this, then we can see that the other half of the pattern is seen in that mirror. This dotted line indicates that the lines along which each half of the pattern is mirror image of the other. Look the letters V, M and E. Place a mirror in the center of these letters and look into that mirror. Then the other half of the pattern is seen in that mirror. That means symmetrical image means a figure which can be divided by a line into two equal halves such that one half is the mirror image of the other half. That is, take this letter M and this is divided by a line in the center of this letter. So you can say that it divides into two equal halves such that one half is the mirror image of the other one. See the next number, letter E. Place a mirror like this. Look into that mirror. That is, the other half of the pattern is seen in that mirror. That means this letter divided by a line into two equal halves such that one half of the pattern is mirror image of the other one. If we divide this letter E by like this, we didn't get a mirror image. Next topic is patterns. When shapes or numbers or letters are arranged in some order, we get a pattern. See the first example, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. It is in a pattern. What comes next? First is triangle, then circle, then triangle, circle. What comes next? Triangle. Next is circle. It follows a pattern. See the second example, 2, 4, 6. What number comes next? 8. Next number, 10. It is also in a pattern. See the third example, the letters A, AB, ABC. What comes next? 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters. So, next is 4 letters. That is A, B, C, D. Next 5 letters. That is A, B, C, D, E. It also follows patterns. See the last example. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? 3, 4, 5. What pattern comes next? 4, 5, 6. It's also in a pattern. Next topic is increasing pattern. That means patterns is increasing. Look at the example. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots. That is, this pattern is increased by 1 dot. So, it is in an increasing pattern. Next is decreasing pattern. That is, the patterns are decreasing. Look this example, 4 lines, next 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 line. That is, the pattern was decreasing. See, one more example, 3 cross, 2 cross and 1 cross. It is also in a decreasing pattern. That is, pattern is decreasing in order. Next topic is tiling or tessellation. This is a single pattern. Okay, the single pattern. This pattern is repeated over entire region. The same pattern is repeated over entire region. The single pattern placed next to another, leaving no space in between. This pattern is continued on all sides. Such pattern is known as tiling. See one more example for tessellation. Tessellation means arrangement of tiles next to each other without leaving a gap. A single pattern. The single pattern from this picture. This pattern is repeated over the entire region and this place next to another without leaving gap. This is known as tessellation.